Alright, Unit 7, Quiz 3. After all of this. Answer 2 question about the following matrix. What's the determinant? Okay, so the determinant is that's inverse. What am I thinking about? The determinant of, let's say, I don't know, x is AD minus BC. So -7 times -6 minus -3 times -14. That is 42 minus 42. That equals 0. So the matrix's determinant is 0. And this does not have an inverse because the determinant is 0. Okay, a law. Okay, so right here, I noticed something a little off. Because this is supposed to be after that. But let's see if you made any mistakes. Oh, okay, it's not asking for the first mistake. So which one says what I just said? A times x. This works. This works. With the inverse, it works. So it's not A. B. He didn't perform the same operation on both sides. Yes, he did. He didn't specify whether it's. Wait, actually, I think it might be A, cause C doesn't make sense. C, you don't have to specify which, because it's associative but not commutative. Oh yeah, it's A. Yeah, it has to be A, because it's not commutative. Okay, find the inverse of the matrix. Okay, so I'll use the formula. But oh yeah, you don't need like complex formula, but it's like this equals 1 over determinant of A, and you don't need that symbol, that vertex the vector symbol. 1 over determinant A over the adjoint of A. So that would be 1 over the determinant of A. So 7 times 1 is 7. Minus 9 times 1, that's -2. So -1 over 2. And the adjoint of A, you swap A and D. You swap A and D to get that, and you negate B and C, so you get that. And you just multiply it out. So 1 times -1 is just -1. So -1 over 2, and then 9 over 2, and then 1 over 2, and -7 over 2. So yeah, this is the inverse of the matrix. -1 over 2, 9 over 2, 1 over 2, and -7 over 2. Consider the system equations. Find A and B. Okay, so the first column is just the x's in the first row. So it's just 1, -4, and 7. 1, -4, and 7. Just the x's from the first row. 1, -4, and 7, and -2, 5, -8. -2, 5, -8. And yeah, and then 3, -6, 9. 3, -6, 9, and then vector B is just 6, 8, 1. 6, 8, 1. Okay. Blah, is represented by the following matrix equation. This is the inverse of matrix A. Solve the system. Okay, so how do I start? So the inverse of matrix A is that. Okay, so So I'll put that vector x that's that equals the inverse of matrix A, which is 0, 0, 7, 3, 1, 1, negative 2, 2, 4, negative 3. Oh, what was that? 2, 4, negative 3 times times vector B, 5, negative 7, 9. And it's important it's after the inverse, because if it was before, it wouldn't give the same solution. So you just multiply this out. 0 times 5 is 0. 1 times negative 7 is negative 7. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 minus 7 is 11. 7 times 5 is 35. 1 times negative 7 is negative 7, so it's 28 so far. And then 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 9 is 36, so 36 plus 28. 36 plus 28 is 64. 64. And then 3 times 5 is 15. Negative 2 times negative 14 is 14, so it's 29 now. And 29 plus negative 3 times 9, it's negative 27. That's 2. So 1164, 2. 1164 and 2. And that's quiz number 3. Last quiz of unit number 3. Unit 7. After this is the unit test that I hopefully get all right.